Clutch in. Clutch in.
Yeah. I've got it in.
Right. Get the clutch up too fast.
One more bit.
And roll forward.
Not in gear.
And roll forward again. That's in gear. Wait. Try now. Yeah. Right, this is your absolute final go, and it's Gareth's.
Can you sorry, I haven't done too bad.
You're doing alright for a beginner.
Yeah, we're just worried. Oh, I felt that. Almost.
Less throttle.
No! No throttle. Let the clutch out a little bit. Oh! He's in second gear.
Clutch in.
Clutch in.
I went round nearly a whole lap.
Right.
I did a 2 first.
Right.
Just to make sure you went to second. That's good.
I went to the second. That's
Right.
good.
It's Gareth go now.
Yeah, I know. Blakey's been on, you've missed it. That's been most worrying.
You nearly died today.
How is it worrying? I didn't crash it once.
You could have if we weren't here.
The first time I did start it, I did actually put it in gear quite quickly. I let it go straight out and it was like,
whacked it in gear. Luckily it didn't go into gear because he just went boom.
Right, Gareth, off you go.
I went into second gear. But it doesn't work, does it?
No. Yeah. Already have. Wait. Okay. No. Too much throttle. Just let the clutch out first. Less throttle. Right. Pull the clutch in again. Did the bike pull?
Yeah, I saw it. It did.
Right, let the clutch out very slowly. Very, very slowly. Clutch in. Got another go? Wait. Yeah. Right. Roll it forward.
Yeah, that's that again.
This is the beginning lesson how to ride a pit bike for YouTubers.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's really hard sometimes.
Pull the clutch in. Then kick it. Right, that's all right. Bit more throttle. Oh.
We just let go like
Whoa.
Just let go like
You went that way too quickly.
Yeah,
right, you ready?
Yeah, go on.
Not too far back neither. You want to sit about there. Right, you ready?
Yep.
Right, let the clutch out.
You don't really need any throttle.
A little bit of throttle, just to keep the engine running. Whoa!
Bye. See you in agony. Because when you're like having like.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
No, and when I was sitting
do that, man.
down,